Alright, last problem on the learning guide. First off, whatever. Last problem on the learning guide. Okay, so what do we know? We know it's a secant function, which has a period of 2 pi, and there's nothing in front of the x, so my period is still 2 pi. So I'm going to mark 2 pi right there. Going to split it in half. Mark that pi. Going to split it in half. Mark that pi over 2. And then I have to have 3 pi over 2 right there. My amplitude is 3, so I'm going to mark that. 3 and negative 3. And my phase shift is pi over 4 to the left. So I need to add increments in here to represent pi over 4s. So I get those right there. And so that would be negative pi over 4 right there. Okay, so we go big increments for pi over 2, and then the smaller tick marks for pi over 4. Well, secant is the reciprocal of cosine. Cosine starts at its maximum value, but we're shifted to the left, so my first point is going to be there. Then I would have a 0 at the next one, except zeros will be vertical asymptotes because we're graphing a reciprocal. And then my next point is going to be at its minimum right here. And notice each point I'm lined up with a small tick mark, and then I'm back to 0. Boom, 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 boom. And then I am up at my maximum again, finishing where I end. Well, what do those points represent? Again, those points are going to be points on the reciprocal as well. If they're minimums, that means my function's going down. And if they're maximums, it means my function's going to be going up. And it's just that simple.